I had a question from a guy the other day, and he did inventory every day, and he wanted an Excel sheet to have every day of the month, both in the A1 value and as a sheet name. So I wrote a little code and came up with this. His actual sheet had 31 days being added. For demonstration purposes, I'm just adding 5 here. So let's click on our button, Add Dates. And so there you go. It starts with September 30th, October 1st, October 2nd, October 3rd, and October 4th. So let me show you the code and what I've done. I'm add new sheet, and worksheet next date is a date, and new date is a date, and x is an integer, and start date as a date, and x equals 1. And so worksheet range A1 select. I'm setting the number format to be day, month, year. Worksheet range value equals date, which is basically the same as going today bracket on an Excel sheet. And you go Cells.EntireColumn.AutoFit because the date is too big to be displayed. So start date worksheet sheet 1 range A1.value. Okay, that's the start date. Now for X1 to X5, and so like I was saying, if you had 31 days, you would put 31 days instead of 5 here. Next date equals start date plus X, and so our first start date is going to be 1, right? Sheets.Add after Sheets.Count, so the next sheet you're going to add. ActiveSheet.Range A1 number format equals, I'm making sure that the date is in the same format. ActiveSheet.Range value equals next date. Entire column AutoFit, just so that the date fits in there for sure. ActiveSheet.Name Format next date, day, month, year. And why I'm specifying that is in the name of a worksheet you can't have a /, but you can have a dash here for the date. And so that's how it works. I will include this code in my description of my video. Please subscribe.